HBAR is testing a major resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We are nearing to almost 200 Telegram members. If you guys want to stay up to date with my charts as well as my trades, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another HBAR analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on HBAR, we are testing a very crucial resistance point here at 0.081. Of course, from yesterday's video, I mentioned the fact that in terms of a bullish case scenario, we would have to see this level being used as support, and you can see from the previous video, this played out almost perfectly. HBAR saw multiple retest opportunities at 0.073, and then a very strong breakout formation. Of course, for those of you that were in the Telegram channel, we saw some massive gain opportunities in terms of Bitcoin and Ethereum crashing, but the fact that HBAR was not crashing was something of different nature. Usually when these coins crash, you tend to see HBAR do a little bit more of a different thing, and in yesterday's video, I mentioned the fact that since we are not seeing capitulation or a continuation to the downside on HBAR, this could be looking for a nice fake out or a nice bull opportunity. As of right now, you can see that this moveset played out perfectly, but the question of course becomes, is this weekend manipulation or is this a proper moveset? I will answer that question for you guys, but first I want to go ahead and analyze the 4-hour time frame. You can see in terms of the 4-hour time frame, we ended up using our exponential moving averages as support, as well as the fact that we were retesting these levels multiple times, which was a very clean confirmation. But of course, the question becomes, why didn't the bearish case scenario break down? If you guys remember from my video, I mentioned the fact in order for the bearish case scenario to break, we would have to see a retest of 0.067 and a clean break below that level. If that level was broken, then our eyes are focusing on 0.057. But of course, once again, we didn't see that break, so then we saw the bullish case scenario play out. Now the question comes, of course, is this a continuation? What we're waiting to see is whether or not 0.081 ends up being a support, retesting it, and then a stronger confirmation. You guys already know the massive move opportunity that HBAR is looking at, because if we end up breaking 0.097, there is nothing in between us from now until 0.15. This is a very tricky formation, and you guys want to be sure to, of course, try to grab it. But before we get greedy, pay attention to 0.097. If, of course, the market does rally and Bitcoin and Ethereum come back, this could be looking like a very nice move because of how oversold HBAR really was. In terms of the hourly time frames, you can see, of course, that right now we are using this level as support with a very strong continuation. I'm waiting to see whether or not we get the second and third retest confirmation. Of course, from a bearish case scenario, I don't want to end up seeing a manipulation wick and then a stronger confirmation grabbing that liquidity, because that can definitely still happen. Make sure you guys understand to play your position sizing, and of course, for those of you that are in the Telegram channel, we already know that right now the market is volatile, so make sure to take what's on the table. In terms of the daily time frame, we're seeing something quite interesting. You can see that HBAR retested our 20 exponential moving average. We saw a very nice clean breakout opportunity and then a strong bullish engulfing candle, but I am still waiting for a possible pullback opportunity before looking for the long-term picture. The reason why that right now HBAR has been an explosive move, I don't feel comfortable looking for that long position until we have a proper pullback, and my pullback area remains at 0.057. The question, of course, becomes whether or not we're going to see that pullback now, or we're going to see that pullback at 0.097, but that pullback definitely will be happening. This could easily end up being a massive bull trap. The only way that would be invalidated was, of course, if we ended up retesting the 0.097, using it as support on the daily time frame, and then a stronger continuation. That's pretty much exactly what we saw down here, and this is why I told you guys at this level to start looking for these long positions, because these were very profitable trades. As of right now, though, the whole market is turning bullish on HBAR, which tends to be a very nice sell signal, because you want to do opposite of what everyone is thinking. Right now, the market is telling you that we are still in extreme overbought conditions, and you don't want to try to get caught out in these positions because of this situation. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.